Hana Fejzić. I'm 20 years old and currently I'm studying information technology in Mostar. During this corona pandemic, I've had some free time, so I set some goals for myself. The first goal was to read more books. The second goal was to walk more and spend some time in nature, so that's why we're here in Ravne in Visoko. The nature here is beautiful and relaxing, so I decided to share that with others and started getting a lot more into photography. I've spent some time expanding my programming skills. Currently I'm learning React.js and I'm playing with it as I learn. As you can hear, I'm playing the ukulele, and music in general is a big part of my life, and I decided to start playing the piano as well. Those were all of my activities, and bye!